Powerful earthquake leaves more than 2,300 killed in Syria and Turkey, triggering international aid. The 7.8 magnitude nighttime tremor, followed hours later by a slightly smaller one, wiped out entire sections of major Turkish cities in a region filled with millions of people who have fled the civil war in Syria and other conflicts. At least 2,300 people have been killed after two powerful earthquakes struck Turkey and Syria within the space of 12 hours. The death toll is expected to rise, with search and rescue operations underway across the region as many buildings have collapsed and there are thought to be many people trapped in the rubble. The first quake struck as people slept, and measured 7.8 in magnitude, one of the most powerful quakes in the region in at least a century. It was felt as far away as Cyprus and Cairo. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC) said that preliminary data showed the second large quake measured 7.7 magnitude, and was 67 kilometers (42 miles) northeast of Kahramanmaraş, Turkey, at a depth of 2 kilometers. There have been more than 100 smaller aftershocks registered by seismologists, so Lu Chin Thuk Tu Tho Ni Ki Cho Biat 1. 498 Nuoi Da Thiat Mang O Du, 7.600 Nuoi by Thung Va 2.818 Toanya by Sap. Bo Y Te Syria Cho Biat Hon 430 Nuoi Da Thiat Mang Va 1. 280 Nuoi by Thung. Tai Vung Te Bak De Quan Noi De Kiam Sot, Noi Chin Fu Kong Kiam Sot, Kak Nom Hot Dong O Du Cho Biat So Nuoi Chetit Nyat La 380, Voi Hang Tram Nuoi by Thung. Nam 1999, Mo Tran Dong Dat Ko Kung Du Tuing Tu Nu Tran Dong Dat Nine O Tho Ni Ki Da Tan Fa Ismit, Jiat Chet Hon 17. 000 Nuoi. Tong Thong Tho Ni Ki Recep Tayyip Erdogan Da Mo Ta Hom Tu Hai La Tham Hoa Toi Te Nyat Doi Voi Dat Nuk K2 Nam 1939, Khi Mo Tran Dong Dat Jiat Chet Hon 32. 000 Nuoi Va Lam by Thung Hon 100.000 Nuoi.